What's up, Fraggers? Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're back again today, and we're going to be working on Ashley's Datsun.
Day 3.
Day 3. Still no paint.
Yeah, still no paint, eh? We're slacking.
Yeah, this is taking way longer than most of the cars. Oh yeah.
You
Just
know,
a little cleaning.
I'll just clean it.
Yeah, just clean it, and then if
we're
there's...
not going to get too carried away.
Yeah. And if you want, we can even sand it.
Yeah.
That way, when we go to blast it, it takes 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Well, I've got another tape pattern here, and I'm gonna make this dog leg for this car. Not anticipating a huge amount of trouble, but it is still a very compound curved piece we have to get right. There, still. Okay, right on.
There it is, hey?
That's it, yeah. There's not really, well, there's that one little speck right there, and then you can see, basically we have to go just past where that inner piece welds.
Yeah.
Because that's where the corrosion is where those two pieces were touching. So I should go half an inch past that, and this is all brand new. So that's all it'll be. Oh yeah, I should probably put the fender flare in there. And
Just a flat old piece, eh? Like a bottle of flare. Yeah, it's kind of a tricky piece. I wouldn't want to make that.
what?
Huh?
I thought you were gonna make it.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, whatever. It's gonna be something like that. Alrighty. There's what we're after. There's where I'm gonna stretch it out. The rest of it is done basically with folding and a little shrinking to bring it into shape. So pretty simple little piece. I don't know where my tripod is, so I guess we'll just film this as we go. Okay. Close. Hang on. Clean it up. Put it on there. Oh, look at that. Day 3.
Oh, you're filming! Yeah!
Morale fading.
Oh, morale is fading slightly, eh?
Fading. Look at how spotless this is. You get the sad bastard prize today.
Oh, God. Huh?
Well, it's gotta be done.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Well, you know what? It doesn't have to be done, but you won't.
Well, my concern is that stripper leaked in there, right?
Yeah.
And now it's like, okay, well,
No, you gotta get it out.
I'm not saying it did,
It's
but
gotta be 40 times better than factory. I know how it goes.
well,
Yeah, well, it's so you've been all through here. Look at the Mr. $500 Datsun.
hey, it's only day 3. If it's
only
day,
that's right.
if it's
Day 13, all
if it's
this
day
shit gets
79, then
rattle
you
can
can,
over,
you
yeah.
can start giving me a hard time.
Yeah, that's right. Day 3, we're allowed to still be optimistic.
That's right.
Okay, I'm going to optimistically weld this dog leg in. Day 3, we're still welding.
Right.
Day 13, it's kitty hair.
It's getting there, yeah. So one side of the car will be better.
One side of the car might or might not be better than the other side. Just cleaning up my repair panel here. And that's going to go in there, something like that. Anyhow, I'm going to get that tacked in, and then we'll have a look. Pretty easy one, because we're able to constantly check it against the original and confirm that it is in fact close enough. Okay, I'll look in a minute here.
Here we are.
Monday.
Here we are.
Yeah. Great.
Good enough, eh?
Right on. Well, this week would be the week to blast.
Oh,
The weather's going to stay nice, so we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Yeah. That'll
Good.
work.
Oh, there's one more repair done. And yeah, that turned out good. Got some dust on there, but good. And that, yeah, that'll be very easy to make that look nice.
One less.
And yeah, just keep going. And we'll carry on. I think we'll go, I'm going to do this one tomorrow. I'd like to get this whole panel done tomorrow.
You know what? Just doing a little bit every day, man.
Yeah,
That's
well,
how it goes away, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, and I mean, when you think about all the cars where we have to make all this, or you gotta make that, or you gotta make, like, we don't have to do any of that.
No,
We just got a few basic high school patchy poos and...
High school.
Alright, day 4. Morale failing. No, morale's holding out. At least until I start blasting.
Yeah.
We're gonna sandblast the here, a little bit there and there, a little bit here and there, just a little couple of touch-ups to blast. And, because, you know, Ashley's sick of the weather and he's going to California tomorrow. So he's leaving me.
When I get back.
Yeah, when I get back, this thing better be in primer. Okay. There's really not any other opportunity or really any other foolproof way of getting all this rust out of here that I want to try, so that's what we're going to do. And obviously battery leaking at some point. Ashley's out of town for a couple of days, so I thought we would surprise him by getting absolutely anything at all finished. So figured I would try to get this repaired. This goes inside the door jamb, closing off the back of the rocker panel box, and welds to the dog leg there that we made last time. So made pretty much that's where she's bad. Again, trying to make as little as possible, and made that up. So hoping that'll go on there. So that's that. I'm gonna weld that on and we'll see if it goes inside the box there. Okay, there's the repair. All right, so the question really is, does it fit? And certainly does seem to fit. Screw in there. There we go, lines up on the original weld holes, so we'll be able to fill those in, and that's that will all get trimmed up and hammered and a little bit of detail once it's welded in, but we're pretty much good to go. That takes care of the dog leg, other than trimming this little bit off the bottom and welding that up. That's it for the dog leg. Be on to this now. But first, I thought I just would do this little repair. I want to have all these Buick parts ready to paint. I blasted this stuff today when we were doing the Datsun, or just before. And this is where the big Mudflap rubber thing was bolted to the wheel tub. So I guess if it was intended to stop the wheel tub from rusting, it actually failed, because it's not rusty anywhere except under the mud flap. They're actually in very nice shape, other than this one in the corner, so we're just going to make a little piece to there and hammer that in there quick. It didn't take very long, very simple. And there we go. Let's whistle it in there. And there we are, moving the Buick project another inch forward. There's a whole lot of this kind of thing to be done, but that's one less piece. Actually went very well. Okay, that's that. I don't see any point in carrying on anymore with that. That is behind the Mudflap, and yeah, there we go. At least the rust was very localized and 1 inch away from the hole. Perfectly solid steel, so pretty good situation overall. The rest of this piece pretty much cherry, so that's the end of that. I got exact same repair on the other side, and we'll get to that right away. Looks like I got a little high spot there to ding out, but again, it's the bottom of the wheel tub. Not getting too worked up about it. Let's carry on. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking it out. Have a terrific afternoon. We'll see everybody on Saturday. Cheers. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.